Okay, here we are with lesson 3. What we're going to do now is we're going to add a few things to make it a little bit easier to control. We're going to add some sound effects, so let's give it a try. First thing I want to do is to add a control to it. I'm going to go over here to controls, and then we will go down to, actually it's under events instead of controls. When the space bar is pressed, so when I press the space bar, it will activate the arrow. Okay, so remember now, our arrow turns 90 degrees and then it moves up. Okay, now one of the things we can do is we can also put some sound effects in. Whenever this arrow hits the balloon, we can make it go pop. Okay, so what we have to do is put some programming in on the balloon. So I'm going to click on the balloon, and what we'll do here then is we're going to go for sound, and what we'll do is we will put this start sound here, and I know you probably can't hear it, but when I click this it goes pop. Now how do we want to do this? Well, we've got the sound, we want to go to sensing right here. Okay, and the sensing here, let's see what's here. We've got to select right here, touching. So when it touches the arrow, we want it to do something. Now what do we want it to do? We're going to go to wait until. I'm going to drag this into here. Okay, so it's going to look something like that. So wait until the arrow touches the balloon. We want it to pop. Okay, now in order to start that, what we'll do is we want to start it when the space bar is pressed. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, and you may not be able to hear this, but when you develop your own program you will. So whenever you press the space bar, it basically pops. So that's it for lesson 3. Again, in the events category, we use this when spacebar key is pressed, wait until the arrow touches the balloon, and then go pop. I am going to add one other thing here. If we go to this right here, we can record our own. So I'm going to click record, and you press the record button, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to record the word bang. Bang. Okay, and I'm going to save this, and I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it bang. Okay, and when I go back to my code, now I can select bang. Okay, so now when I press the space bar, it goes bang. Okay, then you can record your own things. So that's it for lesson 3.